10 AI apps to earn money online. With the rapid advancement of AI, it's no surprise that many individuals are turning to AI-driven apps as a way to generate income online. Whether you're a freelancer, a creator, or someone looking to tap into new revenue streams, here are 10 AI apps that can help you earn money online in 2025. 1. Jasper AI Writing Assistant. Jasper is a content creation AI tool that helps users write articles, blogs, social media posts, and more. With its writing capabilities, you can offer your freelance services and start earning money by helping businesses or individuals with their content needs. 2. ChatGPT AI chatbot. OpenAI's ChatGPT can assist with a variety of tasks, from answering questions to writing essays. It's a powerful tool for those looking to monetize their knowledge by offering tutoring, consulting, or customer support services. 3. DesignHill AI for logo and graphic design. DesignHill's AI-powered logo maker is perfect for those interested in graphic design. You can use the tool to create professional quality designs and sell your services on freelance platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. 4. Speechify Text-to-speech AI. Speechify allows you to convert text into natural-sounding speech. This tool is great for those interested in offering voiceover services or turning written content into audiobooks, which you can sell or distribute on platforms like Audible. 5. Artbreeder AI for art and photography. Artbreeder leverages AI to help users create stunning artwork and generate images from photos. If you're into digital art or photography, you can use Artbreeder to produce unique artwork and sell it as prints, on stock photography sites, or even as NFTs. 6. Copy.ai AI for marketing. Copy.ai is designed to create marketing copy, ad slogans, email templates, and more. You can use this tool to offer copywriting services to businesses looking to improve their marketing efforts. 7. Tipeee AI-powered content creation. Tipeee uses AI to generate high-quality written content that can be sold to clients or published on your website. With Tipeee, you can efficiently create blogs, articles, and more in a fraction of the time. 8. Fiverr AI Assistant. Fiverr has integrated AI into its platform to help freelancers boost productivity. Whether you offer services in content creation, web development, or social media management, Fiverr's AI Assistant can help match you with clients and manage your workflow efficiently. 9. Taskade AI for project management. Taskade is a task management and productivity tool with AI features that assist with organizing tasks, scheduling, and collaborating with teams. You can monetize your project management skills by offering AI-enhanced organizational services to businesses and individuals. 10. Shutterstock AI for stock photography. Shutterstock's AI tools help you create high-quality stock images and illustrations that you can sell to clients. With the right images and creativity, you can earn money by contributing to their extensive stock library. These AI apps not only help streamline your work, but also provide new ways to earn money online. Whether you're into writing, design, or content creation, AI is shaping the future of online income opportunities. Explore these AI-powered platforms, try them out, and start your journey to earning money from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned for more updates on how to make the most out of AI tools for your business or freelance